everybody, Hoosier Outdoorist here. I'm going to make a video about my hunting backpack that I use for most all hunting when I go hunting. But first I have to work on the family toilet. My wife said it wasn't working just right. So I'm going to see what's the matter with it here. There's that. Oh, I see what's the matter. We forgot the bucket. Okay, got that fixed. Out of the way. Now, I'm going to talk about my hunting backpack. I take this most of the time, every time I go in the woods hunting. It's got things in it. I know it's late and getting dark. But we have things in here. Always pack a piece of strapping. Always pack some kind of shelter. Some kind of emergency sleep aid. A cook pot. Snacks, water filter, and I'm running out of time. I'm not going to be able to get all this out of here this evening, but I thought I'd just try this out, and I'll make a new review later on. Go to the woods, be careful guys. Later on.